What's up guys, Miguel here. Quick video. Aquarium Co-op metal air valve using a DeWalt drill. This is an oversized drill for the application. This is the hammer drill, but I got Mike over on the side working on the other part of the line. It doesn't have to be super tight, but that's what I've got going on right there. Okay, have the hole pre-drilled. The size is a 5. Where are you? Got that over here to pre-drill the hole, and pretty much what you're just going to do is you're going to line it up with the hole, and you're going to apply a little bit of pressure, and you're going to go straight down, and it's going to thread right into the PVC until the depth required is good. You're going to loosen the chuck, pull it out, and then you're going to adjust the valve to however you want them to be. And what you end up with is something like this. Hope the video was helpful. Thanks for watching.